Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink at the moment, super slow, unfortunately. It basically has done what it needed to do from a high level point of view. Absolutely perfect. Also from a corrective wave pattern point of view. We talked about this before here, this impulsive wave to the upside in May 21. When I then started to follow and analyze Chainlink here in November 21, I told you that we have to get into this region between $11.34 and $6. That is exactly where we got into. I was told I'm crazy when we were at around $30, but this was the clear roadmap. There was also no bullish scenario back then. It was pretty clear that we had to go into this region. There always is a bullish scenario, but it would have been so unlikely that I oftentimes didn't show it. So the direction was pretty clear. Now we are in a situation where the downtrend could be over, similar to Bitcoin, but I don't think it is yet. And again, due to the lack of price action, due to the lack of bullish price action, mentioned it to you in the previous video already. Current assumption is that we have peaked here in a wave A, that we moved down in a B, and that we are now in a C, D, E. No, sorry, we peaked here in an A, came down a B, up C, down D, up E, in a wave 4. This is probably complete. This is an ABCDE Elliott wave triangle, which basically is part of that fourth wave. The fourth wave itself consists of WXY. This is a corrective wave pattern structure where you would normally expect a zigzag in each of them. So basically an ABC pattern in each of these subwaves. However, one of these waves is oftentimes more complex. And in this case, the wave Y. And in my opinion, this is a triangle, an Elliott wave triangle, which we expected to break out to the downside, which happened. However, we are currently missing really any price action. It's just moving sideways at the moment. And I told you in the previous video that to consider something more bullish, I mean, we can count this bullish as well. And that is the tricky bit at the moment, because we are in this turnaround space at the moment, this possible turnaround space. We have both options. And unfortunately, the wave patterns also suggest, they allow us to count it bullish as well. However, I have to tell you, to count this bullish is a bit messy. It is a bit messy, especially as the price action doesn't really justify it. So I'm remaining focused on the downside here until we at least break above $7.50. We're far away from that. We are currently below the 50-day moving average that is at $7. That will be just below 7. That will be highly relevant. That is pushing the price further down. It pushed it down here, and probably will push it down again. Or at least it will act as resistance. A bullish signal would be to move above the 50-day moving average substantially, which means we would want to go above it and retest it from above. That is, and I tell you that now, before it happens, it is a possible trade entry point. Of course, no financial advice. These can be fake outs, but if you move above it substantially, which means we have a possible or a positive retest from above, this is what many people use for trading as well. So it's usually a break above the 50-day moving average is a trade setup you can use. And then any pullback to the 50-day moving average can be used to add to your positions. This is one way of using it. And it's highly relevant. At the moment we are below it, so technically we are in a downtrend. It's also a trend filter, not only because of that, but also because we're making lower lows here, and we haven't really taken out any structural resistance level, and we're only hovering around the 88.7% fib level here. So that is currently located at $6. I wouldn't be surprised to, in the next instance, to break that to the downside and make a lower low, and we would need to go below $5.20, which is this swing low here from the 13th of June. Looking at the Elliott wave count, this could be here in more detail. This could be a wave 1. We might be in a wave 2 now, and then we'll have the 3, 4, 5 to follow. The thing is, what is coming up here does not look impulsive. It looks very corrective. Therefore, it could be either a wave 2. I'm just thinking. It probably is a wave 2 corrective wave. where we are now waiting for the wave 3 to the downside. Yeah, and only if we move above 750 we can consider other options, but even then ideally I would want to see a move above $9.64 to get more bullish. Yeah, because we are then still, even if we move above 750, we can still make the bearish wave count work very easily. So it's just a message here, just a quick update, and nothing has really changed since the last video, but for all Chainlink followers here on my channel, quick update. So yeah, no change really, and we're following it through and waiting for the lower low. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.